Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nee from Royal Budgets. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey guys, I have not been on here in so long, but shout out to everyone who continues to watch my video and people who still on here subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate y'all. For everyone who's been new, y'all, I've been gone, but I've been seeing the numbers going up. Y'all be doing the thing. I was like, oh, y'all feel like over here? Cool. Good to know. But as you guys can see in this video, your girl is about to do how much that she has. Child, we are going to figure it out because it is new, child. It is new. We have been spending money, not doing our budget thing, and you know what? It has not been good for your girl, okay? It has not been good for your girl. Let me put y'all down a little bit, okay? It is the month of June, and we are basically going to go through a breakdown because you know what? To know where you need to go, you need to know where you're starting from, okay? So guys, in today's video, we are going to go over all my debts that I have, child. Get into it because you know what? I did too much into it that I accumulated way more debt than I needed to have or ever had. Or is it? Oh no, but just too much. So anyways, a lot of fiddle diddle. We are about to get into my debt basically. And what do you guys think? You think this color pen? Ooh, or this color pen? You know, good red is always cute, girl. But you know what? We're going to go with this one. I like this one. We're going to go with that one, the fiddle out of fiddle, to my breakdown. I don't know why, child, but that is how we are feeling. So, ooh, y'all just did my nail and they messed up. That's so sad. But anyways, we are going to be writing down my, debt, my total debt basically for 2023, the beginning balance on this debt journey of how much I actually make or how much debt I actually have. So I have about 4 debt, I want to say. The first of them is my Lowe's credit card. Yes, child, I have a Lowe's credit card. Girl owns a house, and so house things requires house bills. You feel me? So we have my Lowe's credit card. Next, we have my Navy Federal. That is my bank. Navy Fed credit card. We have that. She's been a goodie, but oldie. She's been here forever, child. If you have been here, watch any of my videos, she has been in it for a majority of it. She got paid off, and now she back, child. So, you know, things happen. The next one is my car loan. I do have a Mazda CX-5, okay? She is beautiful, okay? Her name is Felicity. She is beautiful. I love her. But, you know, we still owe a couple dollars on Felicity. So, you know, we're trying to get her fixed and everything up to date with her. Child, she also has some maintenance that needs to happen. And, you know, it's doing a lot. It's doing a lot, ain't gonna lie. But we're going to get through it. This is why we had to start getting back into budgeting because, you know, without tracking your money and getting stuff together, everything just goes apart. So I had to get all my coins, you know, back where it needed to be. And so here we are. Okay. Then last but not least is good more garage. Okay. Mortgage. Like I said earlier, child, your girl owns a house, and with that house comes mortgage. Okay, she doing too much, but it's okay. So I listed out my debts from smallest to biggest, and that is how we're basically going to work with everything and pay them off, child, because they got to go. So first that we're gonna go over is my Lowe's credit card, right? So how did I get my Lowe's credit card? Well, last year during summer, I basically was having my yard cut, and man was charging me like, I was paying him like $75 every 2 weeks for getting my yard cut. Well, baby girl was like, can't do it. You know what? Let me get this lawnmower. You know, let me get into my gardening. You feel me? Let me get into my lawn mowing, and I'll do it by myself. So I bought a lawnmower, a trimmer, I think it is, and I forgot the third thing. But child, yes. So once I bought all of those, it came up to a total of $700 and I think like $25 and some cents. And so the due date for payment was 1 June, but child, when you guys are seeing this, it's already 1 June. I made a payment on it. But the original that I was starting with for the total of this debt journey was a total of $755.46. And that was because your girl got a late fee. Like, come on, sis. You know better. Like, this ain't your first rodeo. This ain't your first, budget. Like, you have been budgeting for a while. What is going on? Talk to us. So that was how I got my credit card for Lowe's and how I got a balance of $755.46. Okay. The next thing is my Navy Federal credit card. Now, there has been a lot that's been put on this credit card. I ain't even gonna lie to you, Margo. Listen, okay? There's a lot that's been put on this credit card. I'm going back home to Jamaica, and Jamaica has been put on this credit card, child. And more of Jamaica will be put on this credit card, child. Like, I'm just letting y'all know up front. But I'm working to put payments on it also. So, not just to be spending on it, but also be paying it off and not just minimum payment. However, the starting balance that I have now for this credit card is $6,048.46. I guess 46 like me. Might be my new number. Like, okay, 46 cents. Okay. But yes, that is what I have for my Navy Federal credit card. Now, next is my car loan, which I told you guys the name of my car is Felicity, and she has some maintenance that needs to happen, but she also has this car note that's still with her. So for Felicity, I have a total of $13,626. I have the availability to make this even number, so I like to keep my car note at an even number with no cents on it because it just looks cute to me, And we go down in hundreds, I can see it and I feel a little bit more, boom, boom, pow, pow. So, yes, I have a $13,626 dollars that's left on my car note for me to pay off, for it to be a zero balance and for me to own my car. And then last but not least is my mortgage. Okay, so my mortgage left on my house loan is $206,633.24. That is the total that I have left on my mortgage. And child, way too much. So we're going to do a calculation of the total that I have now in debt for us to start this debt journey. And then we are going to work our way down on what to do. So the first amount is $755.46 plus the $6,048.46 plus the $13,626 for the car loan, and then I have $206,633.24 for the mortgage, and so that comes up to a total of $227,063.16. So this, y'all, is my total debt. Like I said, $227,063.16. Now, if anyone is wondering why this is the first video that he puts out from Royal Budget, let me explain, guys. So, like I said, you have to know where you're coming from to know where you're going. I wanted to see how much my debt was, how much everything is, and start paying them off, from smallest to biggest. Basically doing the snowball method. That is what we are going to be doing. We're going to be doing the snowball method. So, wrote everything down so I can see it physically and have somewhere of where all my money is. Basically start getting my life together, because you know what, outside is doing the most, okay? And we have to get it together for it to be outside. So I wanted to see somewhere all my debts in one place. I know where I'm starting and I know what I need to do to basically get this debt or these debts started. And that is step one when you're doing any of your journey into budgeting, figuring out how much is your debt and then work your way to basically paying it off. So that's it for this video. We're starting off with the setup of my entire budget. And so this is step one, which is to figure out all of our debts, child. Figure out what we owe somebody so we can pay them so we don't got to owe them no more. And so, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I do hope that you like this video, share, subscribe, and share with a friend, you know, whatever makes you comfortable. I do hope that your budgeting journey is going well. This is not my first time budgeting. I've been a budgeter I started budgeting in 2020 during the pandemic, and then, you know, I fell off. And so this is me coming back on. Oh, sorry. And so, yeah, it's just one of those things. You learn and you live and you experience and you realize that some things work, some things don't. And me not budgeting was one of those things that did not work. And so now we're going back to what works and what makes sense and what is beneficial for us. And, you know, that's all budgeting is. It's making your money the most beneficial for you. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you set up your budget, which the first portion is to write it down what your debts are. And then, you know, start paying them jokers off. So thank you guys so much again for being here, for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.